Welcome back to Healthcare Tips by Alina. Today, we have a spicy topic for you, the amazing benefits of black pepper. You might be surprised to learn just how much this common kitchen spice can do for your health. So, let's dive in. Black pepper and digestion. Have you ever wondered why black pepper is on the table at practically every restaurant? It's not just for the taste. Black pepper actually aids digestion. When you consume black pepper, it stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food. This can help prevent indigestion and bloating. Antioxidant properties. Black pepper is a powerhouse of antioxidants. Antioxidants in black pepper combat harmful free radicals, which can cause cell damage and lead to various health issues, including cancer. Including black pepper in your diet can help protect your cells. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Inflammation is the root cause of many chronic diseases. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation in the body, black pepper can help with conditions like arthritis and even protect against certain neurodegenerative diseases. Weight management. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, black pepper can be your ally. Piperine in black pepper can boost your metabolism, aiding in weight management. Plus, it may help reduce fat levels in the blood. Immune system support. In today's health-conscious world, a strong immune system is crucial. Black pepper can give it a helping hand. Black pepper's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties can support your immune system, helping your body fend off infections. Tips for including black pepper in your diet. Now that you know the incredible benefits of black pepper, let's talk about how to include it in your diet. You can add black pepper to almost any dish, soups, salads, curries, or even a morning smoothie. Be creative, and enjoy the health benefits. Conclusion. So, the next time you reach for that salt shaker, remember the amazing benefits of black pepper. It's not just a spice, it's a natural health booster. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and spicy.